Yeah, so how's your
And if
game been so far, dude?
pretty good, man.
Just a normal day in Lethal Company.
Who's using?
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Okay, that's new.
Oh fuck!
What is that?
What?
Oh shit! There's webs over here.
Ready? Let's go.
Oh fuck! Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, like chat, look. You see this like, see this one, look up there.
Oh wow! There's two. Oh shit! Okay.
Oh!
Hello.
Oh fuck! What is that?
That's one of the dog shadow, and if you talk, hear you. It's it's blind, but it can hear you.
Oh. Oh. There's webs over here if that's important.
What you say to
Oh
me,
shit,
you little
there's webs
shit?
over here. Oh
I'm
fuck.
bleeding. I'm bleeding, please.
It's coming, oh shit.
Oh shit!
It's going back. It's going back.
Oh shit!
Fuck.
Over here.
We go into the
that?
fire
Oh,
exit.
shit.
There's a fire exit below.
Back here. Down here. Hey, come down
You have to
here.
jump down.
There.
You have to jump down.
Ready? Let's go.
Oh fuck.
Fast out. Oh shit! Always pull over here.
Over here.
Oh, you pull over. The slide's pulling up too.
Over here.
Hey,
Push out.
I'm going. I'm going.
Oh shit!
Holy fuck. Oh shit.
Items down there, Jesse.
We go from this side. From this really. Shit, oh you made it. Hey.
Nice.
Brian couldn't make it because he has some wrinkly ass knees.
I'm going. I'm going. I'm in, go,
It's
go.
a worm.
Go.
The worm was out there.
No, the Ugandan, look at him, like, look directly up,
Okay, I can tell. Is this looking all the way up? Is this all
There you
the
go,
way
there you go, there you go. Oh,
Look at that. Press it.
there's a key here as well.
See what you get.
Open it?
You can open it if you want. Get the key.
I got a beer can.
Found a fire exit. I don't know if it's a drone.
What the fuck? Yeah, like, chat, look. You see this, like, you see this one, look up there.
Oh, wow, there's two.
Yeah.
So, which
Is
is
that a
the,
trash bag?
which is the real one?
Yeah.
Wanna see?
I don't think so.
Sanic? It's Sanic's over there. I think he's blue.
What do you mean
Oh,
standing?
there's two!
Oh my god! I got scared, bro. I got scared. Oh fuck. Oh my god, that is so loud.
I got molested by him.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. I got scared and I fell in a hole. Okay, deal me in.
Goal is to get 21.
And if you go over 21, you bust. And the dealer got 21, and you automatically lose. You just lost all the money.
Yeah.
If the dealer gets more than 21, you lose in the first hand.
Fuck. Alright, I'm fucking
21,
winning again.
21. He has to get 21.
22. You got 20. You should stay. You should stay. You should stay.
Yeah, I'm standing.
Two. 21.
Oh, fuck.
Hey?
16, 20.
10, 16, 20.
Shadow's not gonna win, but Jesse won.
Just get your money back. That's what it is.
Oh, sweet. Alright, fuck it. I
let's
guess
go here.
I guess I'm going in again. Or was this? Oh shit!
Nope.
Oh,
That's crazy.
fuck, man.
That's why we bet everything on red.
Oh fuck. We did everything on black last time. Oh fuck. Oh, for fuck's sakes. I have to hit, huh?
You can hit.
Bucket.
It's 13.
Fuck!
Oh. He's a 6 or lower.
Fuck it, we're hitting. Oh, fucking
Hey.
asshole.
Oh, like you
That
got
hit, she
20.
had a 20.
Oh! Oh, shit!
Oh.
Good jam, motherfucker.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Dude, it's so.
Oh shit! Okay.
My hips don't lie.
Somebody don't lie.
They call me Shakira. J-Wood.
Yeah, do you remember the week back?
Oh! Oh my god, I almost fucking died. Oh, fuck! Oh, I have my shit. I'm making my way back now. I got lucky with the fire exit. Oh, hey there.
Careful. Oh, hold on. The forest giant. And to around me. Try to do what I do. I might die in the process, right?
Okay.
But I trust you to make it back to the ship. You just head to the ship.
Okay. Ugh. I made it.
Alright, make it to the ship, make it to the ship.
I'm running.
Leave without me if you have to. Distract the forest giant for you.
Oh, fuck. He's right there. He's right next to the thing. He's chasing you. Ugh. Ah.
Now you're gonna get it, motherfucker!
Get in there!
Oh. No, he killed me!
No.
No fucking shot that dude was there, bro. Are you kidding me?
Dude, there was a dog there?
He was right underneath the stairs. I didn't see him till last second, dude. Oh!
What happened, dog?
What happened, Shadow?
So I may or may not have fell in another hole.
Oh,
Jesse?
Big Bird.
Oh! Fuck! Where's that creepy bastard, bro?
Big Bird.
He just, look at that shit.
Where are you?
He's on the other side of the door.
Big Bird.
Holy fuck, look at that thing.
Gotcha, I gotcha. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it.
I'm looking at him too. I'm looking at
Yeah,
him.
yeah, yeah.
Look at that creepy.
Come over here, come over.
Alright, now look away. Look away. Oh fuck, he's gone.
Help.
Oh, no good. What the fuck?
Oh
is that?
shit!
Oh fuck! Oh. Oh fuck!
Chill.
He's just gotta leave. He's just gotta take the ball and leave. Oh fuck! Oh no! He just has to take that shit and leave. Oh, okay.
I don't know where Jesse's at. I'm looking at this.
Ooh, no. Oh, there he is. Look, he's behind you.
Oh, we might have a problem.
What's the problem?
Like the Slenderman page.
Wait, a Slenderman page?
Motherfucker. Wonder I hit the thug.
Wait, the Slenderman is here? Oh my fucking god.
Well, look at the screen.
Oh,
Loki that scared the fuck out of me.
yo.
It's us, bro. I'm looking at the camera.
I didn't even show up on the fucking thingy.
Yeah, you're not even there.
No.
Shut your fucking
Oh,
mouth!
okay. What the heck was that?
Oh, we can't go through with metal.
I didn't have metal though. Alright, he just has to grab that and run, I guess. Oh no, he can't leave with that, huh?
Fuck it, plan B.
Oh, fuck. This is the fucking final fight, I guess. I don't know.
Why not go for this? Guess what, guys?
Oh, fuck. No. Oh.
Just you.
Oh my god, if this fucking works,
You make it.
if this works, bro. Okay, never mind. No, bro.
Oh my goodness, dude.
You got too greedy.
I thought that was...
The end was right there, and you had two choices.
What happened to you guys?
Yeah, so how's your game been so far, dude?
Pretty good, man.
It's a normal day in Lethal Company.
Who's using?
Oh fuck!
Oh, I can't pick up his body.
Oh
You pick him
no!
up?
No, I can't.
I have to commit suicide.
Can't you do it from the dude over here?
I can, but you might have to time it so you can grab my body before he takes it away.
Alright, I'll do my best. Fuck. I think I missed. It's been fun, but you know what I mean? We gotta get this shit on the road, dude. 360, let's go, bitch! Bro, I